So let us start our class. So in previous video we have completed till question number 2. So today from question number 3 we will start. Okay, prove that B intersection A minus B will be equal to 5. Number A, B intersection A minus B should be equal to what? 5. So this time let us prove by algebraic properties. Definition to use koribole koa nai hai na. So let us try by algebraic properties. Solution. So LHS, if you want in home you can practice by definition. Okay, by both way answer will definitely come. Okay, so left hand side what is there? B intersection A minus B, right? So 5 lage hai na মোৰ 5. Okay, ইয়াত কি আছে চোৱা, জাস্ট থিংক মোৰ এনসাৰ লাগে 5, ইয়াত এটা বি আছে, বি লগত কি কৰিলে 5 হ'ব? বি লগত যদি বি কমপ্লিমেন্টৰ ইন্টাৰসেকশন কৰা হয় তেতিয়া 5 হ'ব, means I need a b complement, right? Okay, so b intersection A intersection b complement, right? b লগত b complementor intersection কৰিলে কি হ'ব? 5 হ'ব. So think like that. Okay, মোৰ b complement লাগে. So this is what law? This is difference law. This is difference law, right? Which is equal to now b intersection b complement lagibo na. So I will bring b complement to this side. Okay, so b intersection b complement intersection A. I have just flipped this one. What law? Very simple, commutative law. Right? Okay, so which is equal to, now let us take, see, intersection, over here also intersection. So let us shift the bracket. Okay, so b intersection b complement intersection A, ki law asile bracket shift korilu, associative law, right? Then now very simple, what is b intersection b complement? This is phi intersection A. So what is b intersection b complement? Ki law asile complement law, right? Complement was PLI or PLE? I think so it is, let me check the book. PLE na? PL's complement, PLE. Complement law ki asile PLE asile, not I. Complement law. Okay, now phi intersection A ki hobo? Phi intersection A jana hai, phi logot intersection hole ki hobo? Phi hobo. Ki law asile? Identity law. Identity and then what? Law. This is identity law. So which is equal to what? Our RHS. So therefore we can say, therefore B intersection A difference B will be equal to what? 5. This is the answer. Okay, so this way it will become short. Practice this way. In home, try by yourself by solving it with the help of definition. Okay, let x belongs to B intersection A minus B. Teneko tumi 5 paba. Process same hobo. All that x belongs to use hobo. Okay, so let us see the next question. Number B. Question number B ki diya ase, A union A intersection B is equal to A. A union A intersection B is equal to what? A. Okay, so solution, left hand side A union A intersection B. Okay, now this is union, over here intersection. I can apply what? Distributive law, right? So which is equal to A union A, intersection will come outside, and then A union B. This into this sign, then this into this, like this, like distributive law. Okay, okay, so what is A union A? Okay, you write over here distributive law. What is A union A? A union A ki hobo? A hobo intersection A union B. A intersection what? A union B. Okay, now A intersection A union B ki hobo? So এনেকা think কৰা x belongs to a and x belongs to a union b. x a to আছে, just think like definition, x belongs to a and x also belongs to a. intersection মানে কি and, মানে ইয়াতো x আছে ইয়াতো x আছে, তো মোৰ ইয়াত a লাগে হয় না, মই লিখি দিও ইকুয়াল টু a বুলি, মোৰ a দৰকাৰ আছে তো মই a লিখি দিও, কাৰণ x ইয়াতো আছে and x ইয়াতো আছে, তো মোৰ দৰকাৰ কি আছে, a লাগে না. So let me write a, right? Okay, over here. Understood? But what is the name of this law? The name of this law is what? Absorption law. Absorption law. It is bookot ase na nai moi najanu, but this law is known as what? Absorption law. Okay, you write one thing then. This is equal to what? RHS. Therefore A union A intersection B will be equal to what? A. Remember, okay, x yato ase and x yato ase, that means what? That means jonto dorkar ase amar a lage na, eto a hobo answer, anyhow it will be a only. Okay, so you one law you write, absorption law. Eto agok poa nai, monot rakhiba, bookot ase na, I am not sure. Okay, maybe it is there or maybe it is not there. So you write like that, A intersection A union B, A intersection A union B is equal to A union A intersection B is equal to কি হয়? A হয়. ইয়ার রেজাল্ট কি হয়? A হয়. ইয়ার রেজাল্ট কি হয়? A হয়. This is known as what? This is known as absorption law. Absorption law. Okay. A intersection A union B and A union A intersection B ki hobo? A hobo. Okay, remember, okay, this value is this value is also this. Understood? Or separate you can write that this is equal to A and this is also equal to, like this you write, no need to give this arrow then. This is equal to A and this is also equal to A. This is known as what? Absorption law. Okay, right. So let us see the number C. বুকত আছে না এবার চাই লবচোন, absorption law বুকত দিয়া আছে না না. Question number C is what? A intersection B. Number C, A intersection B union A intersection B complement should be equal to what? A. Answer ki lage? A lage, right? So solution, a left hand side, A intersection B union A intersection B complement. Okay, so equal to, মই কি দেখি আছো, ইয়াতো এটা A আছে ইয়াতো এটা A আছে, clear? আৰু ভিতৰত আছে intersection sign, বাহিৰত আছে union sign. So I can take A common, right? Distributive law. উল্টাটো হৈ আছে এতিয়া. Okay, A টো মই কমন লৈ লওঁ, intersection ভিতৰত আছে বাহিৰত আহি যাব, ভিতৰত কি হ'ব? B union B complement. Distributive law. So this into this, A intersection B union bahirot, again this into this means A intersection B complement, reverse. Okay, so this is what? Again distributive law. Distributive law. Done. Okay, now what is B union B complement? A intersection B union B complement কি হয়? intersection করিলে তো phi হয়, but union করিলে কি হয়? union করিলে universal set হয়, right? B ও আহিব ইয়া complement ও আহিব, so complete universal set আহি যাব. So this is what? This is U, universal set. Law নাম কি আছিল? complement law, right? complement law. Complement law. Okay, what is A intersection U? universal set er logot kiba eta intersection korile ki hobo? definitely whole to hobo na, common to hobo, A hobo. A intersection universal set ki hobo? A hobo. What was this law? A intersection universal set. I think it was idempotent law, right? Idempotent law. Idempotent law, right? Idempotent law. Let me check once. A intersection universal set. Yes, it is what? A. A intersection universal set is what? A. This is what? Idempotent law. Okay. So we have got our RHS, which is equal to what? RHS. You can try by definition. Therefore, A intersection B union A intersection B complement is equal to what? A. Okay, done. Next, question number D. Question number D, let us see. Number D. A minus A intersection B. A minus A intersection B. This will be equal to what? A minus B. A minus A intersection B should be equal to what? A minus B. Solution. Again, left hand side. Here say A minus A intersection B. A difference A intersection B. Okay. So what we will do? So, okay, let us first remove this difference sign. Okay, let us bring intersection. Means difference law apply kori diya ago. Because minus thakile to bracket break koribo nora na. So difference law apply kora, that means what? A intersection B ki hoy jabo whole complement. Yat intersection ahile tat ki hoise jay right side of complement ahi jay, right? Difference law. Difference law, okay, difference law. Then bring the complement inside. Ki law asile? De Morgan's law. A intersection A complement hoye jabo. Intersection will be what then? Intersection will be union and then B complement. What law it was? De Morgan's law. This was De Morgan's law. Okay. Now I think so we can use our distributive property, right? We can use distributive property, that is yad intersection ase yad union ase na. So A intersection A complement, union will come outside, and then again A intersection B complement. Distributive law. ठीक है ना, याद intersection ase याद किया से union ase, so we can apply what? We can apply distributive law. Now what is A intersection A complement? A intersection A complement is what? Phi union A intersection what? B complement. What is A intersection A complement or property ki asile? A intersection A complement or property ki asile? Complement law, right? Complement ase to complement law hobo. Complement law. Anything universal set with phi ki hobo? Intersection korile to answer phi hoye jay, but universal koyeso union thakile ki hoy? Anything intersection phi is phi, but anything union phi is what? That set itself. যিকোনো বস্তু যদি phi লগত ইউনিয়ন কৰা হয় তে কি হ'ব? এই বস্তুটোই হ'ব, সেটটোই হ'ব, ঠিক আছে? আৰু যিকোনো সেট যদি phi লগত ইন্টারসেকশন কৰা হয় তেতিয়ালে কি হ'ব? phi হ'ব. This union, so your answer will be what? A intersection B complement. কি ল আছিলে? phi লগত এক বস্তু ইউনিয়ন কৰা, phi লগত এক বস্তু ইন্টারসেকশন কৰা. What? It was identity law, right? Identity law. Now again complement to যদি ইয়াত লৈ আনো কি হৈ যাব? Difference হৈ যাব, হয় না? In place of intersection, if I bring the complement, this will become difference A minus B, A difference B. What law? Again you write difference law. Done. Which is equal to what? Which is equal to RHS. So you can write therefore A difference A intersection B will be equal to what? A minus B. Done. Question number now what? Number E, right? Question number E. Okay. A minus B intersection C, which will be equal to A difference B union A difference what? C. Okay. A difference B union A difference C. So solution left hand side. Okay, কি দিয়া আছে a difference b intersection c. I need a difference b also and I need a difference c also, but difference you cannot break, right? Difference thakile bracket break koribo নোৱাৰো. So very simple, I have to bring intersection over here. ইয়াত intersection আহিলে ইয়াত কি হ'ব? Definitely ইয়াত কি হ'ব? Complement হ'ব, right? So this is what law? Difference law. This is nothing but difference law. Next, which is equal to a intersection complement to thakilo break koribo nwara bracket, so bring the complement inside means De Morgan's law. This is B complement union C complement. What law? De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law. Now you break the bracket using distributive property. ঠিক আছে, clearly ইয়াত intersection আছে, ইয়াত কি আছে? Union আছে. So I can use distributive property, right? That is A intersection B complement, and our answer ahi gol union ki hobo A intersection ki C complement. Distributive law, right? Which is equal to intersection আছে না আর complement আছে, complement না লাগে কি লাগে? difference লাগে. So you write this one, A complement ইয়াত লয় না, A difference B union A difference C. This is again what? Difference law. Difference law. So got RHS we have got. This is our right hand side. Therefore A difference B intersection C will be equal to A difference B union A difference C. So this is our what? This is our answer. Last one question is left, na? Last one question is left. That is what? Question number F. Okay. কিবা doubt থাকিলে হদিবা. Simple thing, algebraic properties দি কৰা. Some question, কিছুমান question algebraic properties দি difficult হয়, কিছুমান question কি হয়? Definition দি কৰিবলৈ difficult হয়. Okay. So once you try with definition, ঘৰত practice কৰা, improvement হ'ব. Okay. নিজৰে calculation improvement হ'ব. So number F, A difference C intersection B difference C will be equal to A intersection B difference C. So again LHS you take, LHS left hand side কি হ'ব? A difference C intersection B difference C. Now what will happen? Difference দিয়ে একো কাম নাই হয় না, so intersection লৈ আনা, difference লৈ apply কৰা, A intersection C complement intersection B intersection C complement কি law? Difference law. Difference what? Difference law. Now you see over here also intersection, all are intersection. Okay, so one thing I will do, A intersection C complement, A C complement to eto side loy ana, intersection C complement intersection B, flip. Okay, what law? Commutative law. কেনে কৰিলো যাতে C complement to combine কৰিব পাৰো, ঠিক আছে? এটাই C complement লাগে, সো মাইনাস C আছে না, মানে intersection কি C complement, so দুটা C complement না লাগে, I need only one C complement. So that's why using commutative law মই কি কৰিলো C complement ক একেলগে আনিলো, ঠিক আছে? বুজিলা? So now so সবতে intersection আছে. Okay, so we can shift the bracket, so I can write A intersection C complement intersection B, bracket shift কৰিলো কাৰণ সবতে কি আছে? সবতে same thing না, সবতে intersection এ দিয়া আছে, so I can shift the bracket, right? Okay, so this is you write what? Associative law. So দেখাতে তো associative law নিচিনা লগা নাই হয় না, তো associative law তো তেনেকা চাৰিটা বস্তু নাথাকে, তিনটাই বস্তু থাকে, A B and C হয় না? ইয়াত এটা দুটা তিনটা চাৰিটা বস্তু আছে আৰু ব্ৰেকেট মাজত আছে, তেনেকা associative law তো নাছিলে, but meaning is same. This is like associative law only. Okay, we are just shifting the bracket. সবতে intersection আছে বা সবতে union আছে, so the meaning is same. Now what is C complement intersection C complement? Same thing na, it will be C complement only. A intersection C complement intersection B, A intersection C complement intersection B, done বুঝিলা C intersection C কি হয় C হবে না তো C complement intersection C complement কি হবে C complement হবে now I can write A intersection এটা কাম করে ব্র্যাকেট দিয়ে দিও নাকি ইয়াদ দিয়ে দিছো ব্র্যাকেট করে C intersection C complement intersection B okay now you see but more C complement কত লাগে পিস ফিনা লাগে হয় না ব্যাক সাইড so I will again flip this one B intersection C complement again flip take C back C কত দিলো ব্যাক সাইড so what law again flip করলে কি হবে commutative law done okay but so A intersection B will be what inside a bracket so ako ki law apply koribo lagibo intersection ya to intersection so again you have to shift the bracket means what associative law right means A intersection B intersection C complement this is what associative law shifting of the bracket associative law done associative law which implies sorry which is equal to तो बस इतना डिफरेंस लो अप्लाई कर दिया A intersection B intersection अर्थात complement लिख दिले क्या होगा minus A intersection B minus क्या होगा C this is what this is difference law this is difference law which is equal to what which is equal to right hand side so you can write therefore A difference C intersection B difference C will be equal to what A intersection B difference C hence proved okay so with this question number 3 comes to an end যদি কিবা ডাউট থাকে কিবা স্টেপস বুজি পোৱা নাই সুধিবা বাট ইজি বস্তু হয় বুজি পাই যাবা তোমালোক এটা কাম কৰা এনেকে প্ৰেক্টিস কৰা এনেকে ইজি হ'ব কৰিবলে কাৰণ মেনশন তো কৰা নাই না ডেফিনেশন দি কৰিব লাগিব ওকে বাট ইউ এট হোম ইউ ওয়ান্স ট্রাই উইথ ডেফিনেশন যদি ডেফিনেশনত কিবা প্রবলেম হয় ইউ ক্যান আস্ক মি ওকে আর ইয়াতো যদি কিবা প্রবলেম থাকে সুধিবা নেক্সট ক্লাস দিস chapter sets will complete we will move to logarithm okay then next class it will complete only 4 5 and 6 left 4 and 5 very easy 6 easy as all of question to beleg hai you will understand that one okay so 3 questions left tomorrow this will finish okay chapter sets okay so thank you that's all for today's class